Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a very simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be doing a pedestal vase. And what you'll need for this project, everything can be found at your local Dollar Tree. So I have here one of these little votive holders or a candle holder. And then I have this style of candle holder as well. I have some diamond wrap. You can use either scissors or one of these utility knives. And you can also use some hot glue on this project as well. You can use a permanent bond if you want, but I'm going to be using hot glue for this project. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to take the diamond wrap and I'm just going to test it to see how much of it I'm going to need just by wrapping it around the base. And then just mark it with your nail, and then you want to cut there. And once you've got your diamond wrap pieces cut, then you just go ahead and start wrapping them around the vase. And you can just use a little bead of hot glue to get it started. And just kind of bring it around like that. Just like that. You try to line up the diamonds. Just like that. It's really pretty easy because you have the diamond wrap as a guide to go by. So all you have to do is just put a little bit more glue on there. Like that. This vase here will take 2 full rows of this, and then the 3rd row of it will need to be -1. So I'm just trimming away 1 row of this. So that's 2 rows, and then 1 that's -1 row. If you choose to use a different kind of vase, then of course you'll have to make your own measurements on that. Okay, and so now that I have the pedestal for the vase done, it's time to go ahead and attach this top portion of the vase. This top portion of the vase here, we're just going to attach that. And I'm just going to be using a bead of hot glue. But if you want, you could use a permanent bond. It's entirely up to you if you want to make these with a permanent bond. And just kind of use a thin or small bead of glue so you don't have all this goopy hot glue. And again, how beautiful and how easy were these to make. I mean, now we got a pair of these. We can put candles in, we can put florals in. These are going to be really pretty. You can make a bunch of these for a glam wedding right down the center of a table. These are going to be really, really useful. It's like gorgeous. So let's get started decorating. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.